Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. In this video, we will learn the verb travel in Arabic. The Arabic for travel is safara. Safara. We will learn safara with pronouns in present and past form. Let's get started. We will learn first how in Arabic attached pronouns are represented. In Arabic, letters are used to represent he, she, and other pronouns. Here the first one, ya. Ya presents a male. It means for he, ya is used. Ta is used for she. Hamza or a is used for I. Noon represents the we in Arabic. Ta plus waw noon, its mean own sound, is used for you all. Ta for you and waw noon in the end represent the plural. Same way is the ya present the they and waw noon, it means own sound in the end represent all, plural. Let's get started with present tense. Present tense in Arabic is al-mudari. Here is the first, yusafiru. Yusafiru, he travels. The ya in the beginning attached pronouns represents the he. Tusafiru. Tusafiru means she travels. The ta attached in the beginning shows the she. Usafiru, hamza in the beginning is used to tell I travel. Nusafiru means we travel. Noon in the beginning attached pronoun. Tusafiruna. Tusafiruna. The ta in the beginning shows for you. Safara for traveling and una in the end is for plural. Tusafiruna. You all travel. The same way is yusafiruna. Yusafaruna means they all travel. Ya for they and una for all. Past tense. In past tense, safara, he traveled. Safarat, she traveled. Ta for she with a jism, she traveled. But when safartu, safartu, ta with duma shows I traveled. I traveled. Safartu, I traveled. Safarna, noon as we told you, represent the we. Safarna, we traveled. In past tense, pronouns are attached in the end, while in the present tense, pronouns are attached in the beginning. Safartum. Tum is for you, for all. Safartum, you, plural for traveled. You traveled. Safiru, waw alif in the end shows for they traveled. It means they all, plural in the waw alif in the ends, they traveled. This is enough for today. We'll come back with another video with the pronouns and with the verbs. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.